Yoruba actor Olofaina is dead. Popular Yoruba filmmaker and actor Chief Adedimeji Adedimeji, popularly known as Olofaina, the 73-year-old actor in his lifetime was well known in the contemporary Yoruba theatre industry. The news of his death was announced by fellow actor Saidi Balogun via his Instagram handle at Saidi Balogun on Thursday night. He posted Olofaina's picture with a caption, "Good night, legend. Chief Deji Akinremi Olofaina, rest in peace." Meanwhile, the cause of his death as of the time of filing this report cannot be ascertained. In June 2021, during the sexual assault case involving his colleagues Olarewaju James, alias Baba Ijesha, he had said the saga cannot lead to a division among theatre practitioners. It can cause a division. The issue here is that the young stars of today didn't participate in association they met fortune on the ground. Those of us who suffered before we could earn a living in the business of theatre won't want a division on our midst, he said. We appreciate your time in joining us for this update. If you found this information valid or have any thought to share, please go to the comment section below and write RIP to the late Ventura Yoruba Nollywood actor. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels, give this video a thumbs up, like, and share it with your loved ones. Until next time, stay tuned.